We are looking at a basil plant of 10 months old but still healthy. Tips to grow basil longer and healthy. Basil is an annual plant. If you grow it indoors or if you are in a climate where you can grow it outdoors year round, I doubt that any of these plants will last much more than a year. But surprisingly, one of my basil plant is survived last winter and now super healthy with a huge trunk and stems with fresh leaves all over. It keeps flowering, but I am plucking them continuously to allow it last a few more months. I am pretty sure that it's going to live more than a year, and I hope so. I had few plants grow in my small apartment patio before moving to this house. So at the same time I sowed basil seeds and got 4 plants germinated. I have replanted 2 here and pulled one of the plant when it was a couple of months old to give it to a friend, and other 2 in the backyard under full sun. 2 in the backyard were died within 3-4 months, but this one survived. I definitely believe that it is because it's under shade to get protected from cold and warm weather with around 4 hours sun and cool place just beside to water hose. This is the clip of young basil of a month old I found in my old videos captured in the month of September 2019. This was the status of the same plant during winter. Soon after this video, I started removing all flowers which I actually found in the YouTube and continue watered and see. You can't believe that this is the same plant we are seeing now. You can also see this clip in my other video where I have harvested lot of chard and made chard fritters. Here is the bonus plant grew with seeds spread from the mother plant. I am not looking to move this to other location because it is hot and also found this place best for basil to grow. I remember giving all purpose fertilizer couple of times for extra strength and nothing more than that. Look at the trunk and stem size. This actually looks like a fruit tree when you just look at the base. When harvesting, I always pinch top stems up to 2 to 3 inches and use it in tomato soup, spaghetti and pasta usually. I love fresh basil flavor. Even though I don't use it frequently, I love to have this plant in my garden because I pinch a leaf, rub and smell it while I am moving around this plant. It is good source of protein and a very good source of dietary fiber. There is a lot more with this plant. I am going to copy the nutrition details in the description for your information. So to summarize, always grow basil in partial shade or protected area. Remove flowers and water regularly to allow it last longer. Comment and let me know if these tips helped you. Thank you and I'll see you next video.